Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. As you know, my name is Olorunwa. I'm reaching you live from Lagos, Nigeria. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make cool money here. This money you are going to make is from airdrop. And as you can see it here, let me show you very well. Just watch this area. Coming. Look at the latest information there. Dear customer, our MSN coin is coming to the market on April 21. It will be listed on exchange at the rate of $1. Guys, if this airdrop comes on 21, $1, guys, you are a multi-billionaire. What are the things you are going to do? You don't need to pay any kobo. This is free money. And my own is that some people don't understand what we call airdrop. Airdrop is free money. Like Aviv, I got free money with it. Just to what? To sign in and perform some tasks. And after that, when it was listed on OKX, I withdraw 300,000 from it. But this one now, as you can see this one, you are going to make a lot of money. Look at what I have got so far. Look at it in dollar. That is $332.475. And it's not stopping there. I'm still what? Mining it every hours, 25 MSC. And my referral, when I got referral is 1,000. So it will be added to this area. It will be added to this area. And this dollar will continue increasing. And you can withdraw it when it is 21 of April. That is when it is listed. You cannot convert it to any coins you want. This airdrop is reliable. It's reliable. You don't need to spend money. Follow the description under this video and register your own. And stay tuned on the 21 of April. We are in March. Today is 7. Why can't you do this and make free money for yourself? I just decided to share this video so that my subscriber can enjoy free money. As you can see, if I click on withdrawal now, you will see that it will bring up, do you see what is there? Bonus balance will be available to withdraw from 20 April 2024. This is April. Today is 7 March. Guys, rush. Follow the description below this video. Register. As you register, let me go back to your home. As you register, you are going to get 50,000 MXC. That is what you are going to get free of charge if you follow this link under this video. We are going to be giving 50,000 MSC. That, imagine if this come live on exchanges. That 50,000 times $1. Do you know how much it means? You'll be in money. And this is free money. Free money. You are not paying anything. What you are going to do after you do this, make sure you are verified. The verification is not when you just write your name, everything. As you can see the verification, let me show you very well so that you will know exactly what I mean. If you come down to this area, just come down to this area. Do you see that? You can see it. Let me show you. Click on it. As you can see, my own is verified. Make sure your own too is verified, and stay tuned till 21 of April when it will listed on exchanges. So when it is listed on exchanges, that is a free money. Please come here every time, every day, every 1 hour. You can see you will be getting 25 MXC. Let me claim today one. I've already clicked this one. So that is all about this airdrop. Guys, do this, get free money. That is all. You don't need to spend money. You don't need to do anything. It's free money. And if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you stay tuned for my latest video. Guys, peace.